ATIA 105, Solving Quadratic Equations by Factoring, Part 1. So there are some steps to solving quadratic equations. First, you need to factor. Second, set both factors equal to 0, and that's because of the zero product property. And the last step is to solve. So here's an example. X squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. So we need to put in our x's, and we need to think of two numbers that multiply to 6 and add to 5. It's a positive 2 and a positive 3. So I just factored. Step 2 is to set both factors equal to 0. So this one's a factor and this one's a factor. So x plus 2 equals 0 or x plus 3 equals 0. Subtract 2, so x equals negative 2, or on this one we're going to subtract 3, so x equals negative 3. Then we want to be sure and check our answers. So we plug in negative 2 for x, and we get negative 2 squared plus 5 times negative 2 plus 6. This is 4 minus 10 plus 6. 4 minus 10 is negative 6 plus 6. That equals 0, which is what we needed it to equal. Now we'll plug in a negative 3 for x. We'll get negative 3 squared plus 5 times negative 3 plus 6. So negative 3 squared is 9 minus 15 plus 6. 9 minus 15 is negative 6 plus 6 equals 0, and that checks out. That's the end of the lesson.